Hello students, this is the 12th part of Introduction to Literary Theory 2, and in this we are learning the third point, cultural studies. Now in cultural studies we are learning about the third point of cultural study, and that is key figures. So key, it means the meaning of key in the last part I have told you. Key, it means very important, and figure, it means a person or personality. So who is the key person we are talking about? That is Richard Hoggart. He was the main person we are talking about, and he was the main person who established this cultural study as a form of literature. So in this we are going to start on page number 197 in key figures, line number 9. Now listen carefully. He persuasively, persuasive, it means able to convince, or in the way to convince. Convince, it means change someone's mind or make someone ready or accept something. He persuasively described popular culture and the meaning and the values of working class life. So, in his writing, in his work, Richard Hoggart was trying to convince everyone that popular culture and the meaning of and value of working class life. What is working class life? The meaning, their popular culture, their values in cultural studies. He interpret, it means explain the precise meaning of. Interpreted working class life as a energizing experience that could strengthen, it means make strong people to face the difficulties of life. So Richard Hoggart explained working class life as energizing experiences. So according to Richard Hoggart, the working class people get very energizing experiences in their life, and those experiences make them very strong to face any difficulties of their life. Next page. He argued that everyday activists and rituals, it means the established form of a religious or other ceremony. He argued that everyday activists and rituals of the working class were not trivial. Trivial, it means unimportant, not much important, and debased Debased it means to lower. But enrich it means to make rich. Experiences that made them strong and adaptable. Adapt it means accept to changing conditions. So Richard Hoggard argued that every day these working class people, they were facing many activist rituals relating to religious or any other ceremonies, rituals, and therefore working class were not trivial. This working class is not an unimportant class. This is also a very important class. And this class is not debased, it means the lower class. But this class is enriching. It means this class is very rich with their experiences, and that made them strong and adaptable to changing conditions. And therefore, this working class accept or adapt any change in any condition and live their life very happily with facing lots of difficulties or many difficulties. They do not afraid to face any kind of difficulty in their life. His task. Task it means work. Given work to replace the old minority culture with mass culture. Now minority culture, minority it is related to the smaller number of people, and mass it means related to ordinary people. Replace the old minority culture with mass culture. So here Richard Hoggard was trying to replace the culture that there is only given importance to the minority culture. It means the people who are very smaller in number and very talented in the society, they were having a high status in society. So only people think about their culture, their life, and do not think about the working class people's life. So this Richard Hoggard want to change that. Low working class people also, or working class group is also very important in cultural studies. He feared that consumerism and mass consumption. Consume it means the act of consuming. Consume it means eat something or drink something or buy something from the market, would make his community hedonistic. Hedonistic it means pursuing the pleasure of life. And passive. So according to Richard Hoggard, that this consumerism will make the working class people very hedonistic. It means they will like to live in only their life, and they will feel happy in their life in any condition. And this will make the working class people or that group of people very passive in their life. So students, in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here.